In this video, I'll show you how to turn Rightmove.co.uk property listings into usable data with Minexa.ai's powerful scraping tool. I am navigating to the page where the property listings are already displayed on Rightmove.co.uk. Now open Minexa by clicking the extension icon right here to get started quickly. The panel is open. Hit I'm on the right page so Minexa can analyze the page and detect the property listings. The scan is complete. The results block is identified perfectly with no data missed. Pick List Only, or choose to have Minexa scrape the detail page of each property listing as well. Continue for straightforward pages or select Advanced if you need clicks, inputs, or scrolling before the list appears. See that highlighted block? Click Create Scraper, and Minexa learns every field automatically from the property listings. All data fields are ready, including price, location, and property details, and they stay accurate on every run. For those who code, click API Request for structured JSON output with no token costs or guessing. Hit the violet button to validate the configuration and move on to the next step. Pagination detected automatically, so your scraper will collect listings from every page. Almost done. The job is ready. You can schedule it or push results to Google Sheets first. Just hit Run to start scraping all property listings. That's the whole process in one simple step. Reuse this scraper on any similar rightmove.co.uk page to extract thousands of listings anytime. Typical data points include price, address, number of bedrooms, and agent details for property listings. Download your data with one row per property and columns for each field, ready to use in Excel or JSON. Any website, any data, no technical skills needed. Developers can replace entire scraping stacks with a single Minexa scraper, trained in minutes.